Today, I am going to be showing you how to become famous on Twitch, and I'm going to show you how to grow your channel faster than ever before. So if you are new, then please hit the bell, like, and sub, and I would really appreciate it. I'm A21 Aaron, y'all some gangsta, let's get into the video.
A21 Aaron, whoa, get ready for gaming tutorial.
Before getting started, I'm not going to sit here and tell you everything that you probably already heard from everyone else that tries to do these tutorials. Not to stream saturated games, make sure to talk, set up this and set up that, all those things that you probably already know. You do need to implement that into your streams. I'm going to teach you how to bring value to your streams and how to bring people in, hook them, keep them, and bring them back. Those are the things that is going to make you famous, and hopefully in a few months you will be more famous than Ninja. And then you'll have your own contract with Microsoft, so I guess you won't even need this because you're going to be streaming on Mixer pretty soon.
I know, it's exciting.
But that's okay. For the rest of you, we're gonna get into the video. So if I do talk about anything that you've probably already heard, I'm hoping to bring more value to those topics that makes any sense. So the first thing I wanted to talk about is, of course, what are you good at and what are you gonna stream? Those are two really big things to know before you start streaming. If you know what you are good at, you need to hone in on those skills so that you can use that and be different than everyone else that is just pressing stream. Let's break that down just a little bit. If you already know what you're good at, then you can go ahead and skip this. So if you are a skilled gamer and you are really good at games that you play, maybe you can play saturated games because you are a skill-based player and you're really good at it. So then you can do trick shots, you can do challenges, you can do all sorts of things that a lot of other people probably can't do, that I know I can't do. You're also going to get a lot of wins. So of course in your titles you're going to be able to say going for my 10,000 win, or you can even do challenges like I'm only going to use a gray pistol to get a win. People want to see those, especially like a lot of younger viewers. A lot of viewers have probably never gotten a win before, so you can use your skills and help them get a win. You can even put that in your title, carrying viewers to get them a win. That's something that a lot of people probably do look for because they want to play with the streamers that they're watching and they also get a win as well. So it's very entertaining and engaging, so it's a win-win.
Because I win.
If you are good at puzzle games, then do some research. Find out what is the most popular games that have the hardest puzzles. Do some more research. What is the most searched puzzles, the hardest puzzles that are in that game, so you can be the first on the live stream trying to figure it out and also being the first one to figure it out. That's gonna draw people in when you have that on the title, that you're the first one figuring out hardest puzzle unlocked on Resident Evil 7. They're gonna wanna watch how you keep trying and trying and failing and trying and failing, and then when you finally do get that success, that's what hooks them and that's what's gonna bring them back. So this one can also fall in all the categories as well. It's just maybe you want to help people and make some live tutorials. You can do some research on this, as maybe there's a boss that people are having a hard time soloing on Borderlands 3. And then you can go in on your stream and just completely annihilate that boss, and you're the first one to do it on your stream, doing it solo. But while you are doing it, you're also teaching them how you are doing it. Maybe you're like me and you suck at multiplayer games and you suck at Fortnite, but that's okay because you could be a speedrunner streamer. Those are also very entertaining as well. You can put in your title something like speedrunning Borderlands 3 24-hour challenge on True Vault Hunter mode. That's super hard. People are going to want to see it, especially if you're doing it solo. Another thing is unlockables and achievements, or completing maps 100%. You can go on Red Dead Redemption and complete the entire game at 100%. Complete all of those side missions. Or they would want to see you complete 100% of achievements on certain games on the Xbox One. I'm not sure. So this is something that can help you narrow down your goals and hone in on your skills to use that for your streams to help you grow and maybe help you become famous. And for the last tip, maybe you're not a gamer. Maybe you're an ASM artist. Maybe you're an artist. Maybe you're an IRL streamer, or you're just really good at talking. Those are all categories as well that are on Twitch that you can also utilize to become a streamer as well. You can just really talk really fast or do really cool things on stream just to talk and engage with people. People might want to see that under the just chatting section. Or if you're a really good artist, maybe you can draw characters from popular games and speed it up on a live stream or something like that. Or if you're an ASM artist, that's just self-explanatory. You know, things like that. There's so many different things that you can do. Find out what you are good at, know what you want to stream, and this will definitely boost your channel so much more than you would ever believe. Now, let's move on to some other things that might help your streams as well. Be organized. Know what you are going to stream, know what you are going to talk about, and just make an agenda so you don't have any dull moment. Write down key topics of things that you would want to talk about if it is ever silent or if there's any silent moment. And then also write down if you're going to play with viewers. For 20 minutes, you're going to help viewers get a win or complete challenges. 5 minutes, you're gonna take a break, connect with viewers, and just talk. Just be organized. As you can see, I even did a lot of research before making this video, and these are all the things that I have wrote down that I need to talk about, my key points. So this is my organization, and this is something that can help you as well. When even on YouTube videos, you know when someone isn't organized and they just throw a video together and it's not really something that you would want to watch. Not to say that this is really that organized, I mean. Next up is build a character.
Who are you?
So, I'm not exactly saying that you have to dress up and be a character, but good examples of people that do is Dr. Disrespect. He dresses up, has a different character. I'm pretty sure he's a little bit different than how he is in his personal life. It is something that is a little bit different and separates him from other people. Then you have people like Ninja. Doesn't really dress up like a ninja, but he does wear a headband and he builds his entire brand around Ninja. Then you have those girls that are doing cosplay and they're just dressing up as characters, but in a hot way. And I'm pretty sure that they'd probably still get following because they are hot playing games, but I'm just saying, they are different from everyone else, from all the other girls that aren't dressing up because they're different, they have a character. But again, you don't have to dress up, just be a character, be something else. An example of this is that in my YouTube videos, I talk really fast and I do things a little bit quicker than other people do. A lot of other people drag out their videos and try to make them into a long video, 10 minutes or something, so they can get more ad revenue. I try to be a little bit different by talking a little bit faster just to try to keep everybody engaged so that they don't get bored of the videos that I'm trying to do, because a lot of videos that I do are a very long video, so it gets boring. So I try to do it quickly. That's just an example of my character that I have for my YouTube videos. Of course, in real life, I do talk a little bit fast, but not this fast. As a lot of people have said in my comments, it sounds like I am huffing helium or on crack.
That is not true. That is just my character for YouTube.
And that is something that you should do on your streams. Build a character, have more energy, or you could even be a low energy.
Somebody that's like, yo, join my stream.
It doesn't matter. Whatever you want it to be, it's your character. Just build one, build your brand around it, and I guarantee you, it will show results. Have you ever heard the phrase, dress for the job that you want, not the job that you have? This is a key concept that you should take into account for your streams and your channel as well. And I'm not talking about dressing up like as a character topic that I was talking about earlier. This is presentation. Make your channel look presentable and make it look professional. It tells people that you are serious about streaming and it makes you look like you are gonna be someone someday. So I'm gonna name off a list of things that you should probably focus on first before even streaming your very first stream. That way when you get viewers, they're gonna look at you and be like, damn, this kid's gonna be someone someday and I wanna be his very first viewer. Like I said earlier, be organized. So I got a list right here of all the things that I think that you should start off with first. First things first, create a bio. Let people know who you are, what you plan on doing in life, and what you plan on achieving, your goals, and all those things. Just be yourself. So if you're a small town kid from a small town, but you want to be famous, well, you're a kid because you're still the kid, let them know that. And also add all your socials in there. Make a Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, MySpace, whatever it may be. Add all of those things into the bio so people know how to contact you if they want to chat with you or whatever it may be. Create a schedule. Even if you don't know when you can stream, create a schedule. Let them know, hey, I don't know when I'm gonna stream, but I'm gonna stream whenever I can stream. And just let them know when you are gonna schedule your next stream so they know when to come back. For the most important thing, create a donation button. If you want to start having some extra revenue when you start getting a little bit bigger, then you're gonna need a donation button. And I actually made a video tutorial showing you guys how to set this up as well. It will be somewhere in the link down below, maybe. I'm not too sure, but just look down there. You'll probably find it. Important tip on the donation button though, make sure to not just think that every time you get a viewer that they're gonna start donating their life savings to you. It's just not gonna happen. Be patient. If people want to donate to you, it's because they like you and they want you to succeed. If you don't get donations, don't think that every person watching you doesn't like you and don't want you to succeed. Maybe they just don't have it. Just don't think that you're gonna be a millionaire overnight. It takes time.
I gotta do it, man.
And for the last few things, we have titles and thumbnails. Titles are very important as well because people are gonna see this and that's what's gonna draw them in for you. Make sure if you are a skilled gamer that you're gonna put 10,000 kills, 1v1, whatever you're gonna do, put that in your title so that people searching that specific topic will want to see it. If you're speed running a game, let them know that's what you're doing. If you're an English speaker, put English in there so that when you use the filter, it shows up as an English streamer or whatever, and it's easier to find you. If you speak French, then put French streamer. All the French people will be able to filter it and find you. For the last thing, build a brand. Like I said earlier with the character, Ninja has a ninja band, whatever, and then he has some coming stars and stuff that he uses for his brand. Build your brand on your brand and make your brand your character, or make your character your brand and build on top of that. If that doesn't make sense, I will make another video elaborating a little bit more. Like I said, my brand is sort of doing tutorials and speaking fast, trying to help you guys in a faster period of time. For the cosplay girls, they're just hot girls girls that play games, and that's their brand. They dress up and be hot while they're playing games and people watch it. So if you are a speedrunner, build your brand on top of that. Make your name Dr. Speedrunner, or be the best speedrunner in the world. Be the only speedrunner in the world that can do certain things. Be unique and be yourself, and that right there will all tie together and help you build your brand. But if you just jump between games and you do skill-based things, speedrunning one day, this the next day, whatever, you don't really have anything that you build on, and nobody knows what you're gonna stream tomorrow, and maybe they don't like a certain game that you're gonna stream tomorrow, and probably unfollow you and forget about you. And the last thing on my agenda today is network. Networking can probably be the biggest thing that can help you build your streaming career, and it's probably the best because you get to meet new friends, and they're gonna help you out a lot, and you're probably gonna help them out a lot. I just got to say this. Don't expect to go and try to network with somebody that has 30,000 followers and you have 3. It might work, I don't know, but most likely it will not work, and you're just gonna waste your time, and these people are gonna know that you're clout chasing. So just don't do it. If you have always 30 consecutive followers, then go look for someone else that has 30 consecutive viewers. And it never hurts to go after the people that have less followers than you, because they're gonna more than likely want to stream with you because you have something to bring them. You have value for them. They have a little bit of value for you. It may be a little bit smaller because they have smaller followers, but they're gonna be more likely to help you out. And then you never know, maybe they're the next big thing, and when they blow up, they're gonna bring you right there with them. So don't ever hate on someone because they're smaller than you. You never know what can happen. So just remember, you're gonna be sharing followers. Network, 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 network. Always network. It's the biggest thing, the best thing. That's something honestly that I need to start doing on my YouTube channel. I need to start networking more. So anybody that wants to start doing some tutorials together, hit me up. Anyways, if you're new to the channel, then please hit the bell, like, and sub. I'd really appreciate it. I'm A21 Aaron, y'all some gangsters. Thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it. And like I said, if you want to become famous, then hit the bell, like, and sub. Thank you guys very much, and until next time, I'll see you in the next video. A21 Aaron is out. Peace out, gangsters. Deuces.
A21